Today, we will see simple facts behind the trigonometric ratios and the table. After learning this session, you will ask yourself, what? Was it so easy? Okay, so let's get started with the trailer of trigonometric ratios. Split the word trigonometric into three different Greek words as tri, which means three, gono, which means side, metric, which means measurement. In short, the meaning is three sides measurement. Here comes our right angle triangle. Consider any one of the angle as theta. Side opposite to theta will be opposite side. Side next to the theta will be adjacent side. Side opposite to 90-degree angle will be hypotenuse. Let's see the shortcuts to remember the trigonometric ratios. First is SOH, where S represents sine theta, O represents opposite side and H represents hypotenuse. Where now the formula is sine theta is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse. The second shortcut is CAH, where C represents cos theta, A represents adjacent side and H represents hypotenuse. That is, our formula is cos theta is equal to adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Now the third shortcut is TOA, where T represents tan theta, O represents opposite side, A represents adjacent side. Thus the formula is tan theta is equal to opposite side upon adjacent side. Next is trigonometric ratio table. Firstly, we will arrange the degrees starting from 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Then we will take our first ratio, that is sine theta. In order to find the values of sine theta, consider the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 resembling the each degree columns. Then divide each of the numbers by 4. Now take the square root of each part and calculate them. So the value of sine 0 is 0, sine 30 is half, sine 45 is 1 by root 2, sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2, sine 90 is equal to 1. Now let's take the second ratio, that is cos theta. Values of cos theta are written in exactly reverse order of the values of sine theta. We can see the direction of red marking from right to left. According to that, cos 0 is 1, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 60 is 1 upon 2, cos 90 is 0. Next, our third ratio is tan theta. Consider the trigonometric formula, that is tan theta is equal to sine theta upon cos theta. If you are new to this formula, you can just pause this video, go back and refer our video of easy tricks to learn trigonometric formulas using magical hexagon and come back to this video. I am providing the link in the description. Okay, so let's continue. With respect to this formula, we get tan 0 is equal to 0 upon 1, which is 0. Then tan 30 is equal to half upon root 3 by 2, where 2 will get cancelled, thus the value is 1 upon root 3. Similarly, for tan 45, root 2 will get cancelled, so the value is 1. And in tan 60, 2 will get cancelled and the value is root 3. And in tan 90, anything upon 0 is infinity, so 1 upon 0 is infinity. Next, our fourth ratio is cosec theta. Here consider the trigonometric formula from magical hexagon. Cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sine theta. That is, cosec theta is inverse of sine theta. So with respect to this, cosec 0 is equal to 0. Cosec 30 is equal to 2. Cosec 45 is equal to root 2. Cosec 60 is equal to 2 by root 3. Cosec 90 is equal to 1. Similarly, sec theta is inverse of cos theta. So, sec 0 is equal to 1. Sec 30 is equal to 2 by root 3. Sec 45 is equal to root 2. Sec 60 is equal to 2. Sec 90 is equal to 0. Our last ratio is cot theta. Values of cot theta are written in exactly reverse order of tan theta. Observe the direction of red marking, which is from right to left. According to that, cot 0 is equal to infinity, cot 30 is equal to root 3, cot 45 is 1, cot 60 is 1 upon root 3, cot 90 is equal to 0. That's it. Is there any need to memorize the table now? No, right? If you need such easy concepts on any topic, please let us know through the comment section. And also, if you like our content, do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.